In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design a full on-brand email in Claude in under 15 minutes. No designer, no Figma expertise, just a prompt and a product page. I know that sounds like every other AI can replace your design team video you've scrolled past. It's not. I'm not going to show you a toy example with a fake brand. I'm going to build this out step by step with the exact prompts, the exact uploads, and the exact mistakes I made so that you don't have to make them. I run Oakhurst Marketing. We're an email and SMS agency for e-commerce brands. This isn't theory for us. It's the same design and copy work behind results, taking Mailbags from £0 a month in email revenue to 73.4K a month in under 90 days. Rebuilding a menswear brand's flows to grow email from 26K to 88.8K a month, and tripling Yuma Collection's email revenue from 18K to 54K a month in just 2 months. So in this video, you're going to learn what to upload before you even write a prompt, how to brief Claude like you'd brief a senior designer, the exact workflow from first prompt to a file that's ready for Klaviyo, and a handful of situations where you shouldn't be using this at all. So to begin, all you're going to do is head over to claude.ai/design. And then here, this is where we're going to be building everything. So the brand that I have picked for this example that we're going to do is this brand Mini Katana. They're massive in the D2C space. It'd be a great example to do. I'm going to take one of their best-selling products here, which is this Rengoto Katana. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But simply what I'm going to do here is I'm going to build a prompt using this link, and I'm going to give it to Claude here. So I'm just going to use Whisperflow here to just talk to Claude and give it a bit of a prompt here. So I'm going to say, I want you to act as an email marketing expert. We're going to build out a full HTML email for this brand, Mini Katana. What I want you to do is take this exact product that I'm going to link below. I'm going to give you some design assets for you to use, as well as some email examples that they have sent me. I want you to create a full HTML email following email marketing best practices. Okay, so there's the prompt. Really simple. We're just going to give it the link to the product. Now, where Claude Design really shines is when you give it as much context as possible. It's not that great when it comes to image creation. It's really good when it comes to doing structure. So as well as giving it this product page, I'm actually going to give it some email examples. So I'm going to take some of the emails that I've received from Mini Katana. Then I'm going to upload some product pictures as well, and then just give it as much context as possible. Okay, so I've gone in and I've added a few email examples that they've sent me. And then I've also added in some product images as well as their logo from their site for it to use. So you can see them all here. And this is it. I'm just going to send it in now. Let's see what it comes back with. All right, so sometimes Claude will ask a few questions just to help it build the email. So we're just going to go in and answer a few of this. So for this one, it is just a product spotlight. Is there an offer? No, there's not. The email length, we're going to do short. We're not going to do a cross sell. For the copy tone, we're just going to use straight hype, no jokes. We don't need to give it anything else. And I'm not going to give it a design system. I'm just going to send that in. Also, if you're an e-com brand and you'd rather have a team handle your entire email marketing system instead of learning to do this yourself, that's literally what we do at Oakhurst Marketing. Details are in the description. Back to the workflow. Okay, so this is what it's presented us with. This is the full email you can see here. And for a first pass, this is really, really good. This is a lot better than a lot of the emails that I see in my inbox now. We didn't really give a lot of context here. We just really let Claude sort of do its own thing and go at whatever it thinks was best. And this is a great first pass. Really though, the power of Claude email design is that it can get you sort of 90% of the way there. The best thing we can do now is that we can actually export this as a HTML email, and then we can edit it within Figma. All you're going to need for that is this really simple tool called HTML to design Figma. It comes up here, first link, and we'll just do try in. I've already got a file. So you can just grab that plugin for Figma. And then simply all we're going to do is we're going to head back here and we're going to actually export this as a HTML. All right, so now that you've got the plugin, all you need to do is head back to Claude, and then you're just going to hit share. You're going to hit download project HTML, and you're just going to do standalone HTML. I've actually already done it here, so I've got it saved. We're just going to come back over to the plugin here. We're going to run it. And then we are just going to drag and drop it in here. Proceed, use auto layout. And here we go. It's given us the full email here. So let's close that down now. I really don't like that it gives us this sort of full frame. I just want the email. So I'm actually just going to take it out and actually just get rid of that. But so we've got the full email here, and you can see everything is editable here. All the text is editable that we can change, can move everything around. So this is really the power of Claude, sort of design, is that it's going to get you 90% of the way there, and then you can go in and make the edits yourself instead of just using up all the credits, making the edits within Claude. So it's a lot better to just do it here. So you can see a few little things here. You just want to change like some of the spacing, like it's just these tiny things. You can edit whatever copy you want to edit. Like I would probably want to duplicate this button and have the call to action a bit higher and have 2 there. So now this email is pretty much ready to go. So all you would need to do is just slice the image blocks like you would every other. I can do a full video on this if you want, but you would simply slice these as image blocks, and then you can just export them here do them as JPEGs, and then you can upload them into Klaviyo, link them and send it out. So that's pretty much a good to go email. And that was all done in under 10 minutes. None of this replaces understanding copy, structure, and what actually converts for your specific list. The tool just compresses the time between a blank page and a first draft, from hours down to minutes. Give it a real brief, real past performing assets, and real product data, and the output holds up. If you run an ecom brand and you'd rather not build the system yourself, this is exactly what we do at Oakhurst Marketing. Just click the link in the description to book a call with myself, and we'll walk through whether it's the right fit for where your brand is at. And if you're still not convinced, go watch this video where I go even deeper there.